together. Remember, in proper fraction, the numerator is larger than the denominator. Mixed number, whole number, and a fraction. When you multiply mixed numbers, you have to change the mixed number into an improper fraction, and then multiply, and then you're going to change it back into a mixed number. So the problem is 4 1/5 times 1/2. 4 1/5 times 1/2. Okay, the first thing you need to do is change 4 1/5 into an improper fraction. You do that by multiplying and adding. Multiply the denominator times the whole number, and then add the numerator. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21 fifths. Okay, the denominator is going to stay the same. 21 fifths is the same as 4 1/5. You're just changing what it looks like so that you can work with it. They have the same value. This bar always means what, everybody? Divide. Now, 1/2 is already fraction form, so we don't need to do anything to that. Is everyone with me so far? Questions? Okay, what do we do next? What do we do next, Bruce?
We multiply top and bottom.
Multiply straight across, okay? So 21 times 1? 21. 5 times 2? 10. Okay. Are you finished?
No.
Multiplied, why aren't you finished?
You need to divide.
You need to divide. This is an improper fraction. We do not leave our answers as improper fractions, so we need to divide. 21 divided by 10. That's what this is. 21 divided by 10. So come out to the side. 21 divided by 10. You should be working through this. I should see marks all over the bottom part of your paper where you're working this out. Don't wait on someone else to give the answer and then write it down, because you're not learning anything when you do that. We changed this to an improper fraction. We multiplied across. Now it's time to divide. Are you with me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, occasionally you're going to get to this point and it's just going to be a common division fact and your answer is going to be a whole number. A lot of times it's not going to go in equally and you're going to end up with a mixed number. So you get to this and you decide how many times is 10 going to 21 without going over. Chris? 2. Okay, and then you multiply. 2 times 10 is 20. Subtract. Okay, and then when you get to this part, you have to remember, oh my gosh, where do these numbers go to make my mixed number answer? This number on top is the whole number. The remainder becomes the numerator. The divisor becomes the denominator. Okay? How do you remember that? Here's how I do it. I think about this number on top being really important. It's on top. It's the whole number. Okay? I go back and look at the improper fraction that I started with. The denominator is 10. Okay? That's not going to change. So the divisor is still the denominator. And then I just have to put the remainder in the numerator spot. So 2 and 1 10. Who has a question? Who has a question? I know somebody probably does. Any specific questions? Like, I get stuck when you multiply. Or why are you changing that? Look. Okay. All right, let's do, I want you to work through page 747, 2, 3, and 4, and then we'll stop and go over them and make sure you're doing them correctly. Okay?